The figurine known as the Votary, Museum number HM65. 2. The discovery and reconstruction. Excavation simultaneously destroys context as it reveals it, and we cannot now reconstruct the process of discovery to explain the inconsistencies between the field notebooks and various stages of publication. We know that Arthur Evans investigated the cavities he termed the temple repositories in the west wing of the palace at Knossos in 1903. His team uncovered 2 deep storage pits under the stone flagged floor, the East Temple repository being 2 metres by 1.5 metre and over 1.5 metre deep, well constructed, stone lined and fitted with dowel holes for attachments or shelves. The assemblage appeared to be ritual, the finds deliberately entombed there, arranged by material after being damaged. Over 200 faience objects comes from this context, the highest concentration known from Minoan Crete so far. They were mostly found in the bottom of the East Temple repository, then covered over by a metre of fill, vases and red earth. They were broken, probably before being sealed in their place of rest. There is evidence for 5 to 6 faience figures altogether, including 3 additional left arms, one with snakes, and a further left hand. Numerous other riches were in this assemblage, hundreds of shells, clay and stone vessels, clay seal impressions, lineae inscriptions, and animal bones. No head was found for this figure. The hat was very fragmentary, with Evans describing the decoration as rose-like, although the evidence for this or any flower is minimal. The feline is original and may have been attached to something like the hat. The top of the surviving hat fragment had a small rivet hole, and Evans mentions a matching stud on the bottom of the spotted cat-like creature. It is believed that the feline animal came from this deposit, but it is not referred to in the initial field notes or publication. In these earliest publications, Evans illustrated her without her head and left arm. The Danish artist Helga Bagge just restored her skirt to support her, about 1/3 of which, including 6 of the 7 flounces, survived. Her breasts are original. Following the second stage of reconstruction, 1903 to 1905, she is furnished with a new head and arm. Radiography has revealed the metal wires used to attach the new and old fragments, such as the head to her chest. Her surviving right hand holds a thin, striped object, interpreted as a broken snake and restored in the first stage of the reconstructions. This is the only so-called snake fragment associated with this figurine, and other interpretations have been suggested. Perhaps it is a rope. As her left forearm and hand are modern, this snake is also a reconstruction. Her physical reconstructions have been extensive, including the snake's arm and head that are key to the iconic silhouette of the figurine. Her status is unclear. Evans labelled her the Votary, a supplicant figure, but she is now imagined as a snake goddess.